Let's learn how you can lock your Facebook profile. So let us start by opening our Facebook application. Now you will have to click on 3 horizontal lines in bottom right corner that will open a menu. And from there you will have to go to settings. To do that, click on this gear icon in top right corner. Then scroll down a bit until you find audience and visibility. First thing you want to check how can people find and contact you. Here you can select who can send you friend request and who can see your friend list. To lock it, you just want to send who can see your friend list to friends, and if you want you can also lock message requests. Now go back and go to posts and set who can see your future posts only friends. Here, when you do that, just click on save and it will be saved. And followers and public content, who can follow me, set up only for friends, and everything else you want to set for friends, so you can lock your profile for outsiders, so you can screenshot or just see and copy things I did here. Just set every option to friend, it's not a big deal. So that's it, thanks for watching and see you in the next